guys, it's Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski here at Lakeway. We're out here at Lake Travis and looking at a 2020 GS24 Super Air Nautique. See the nice big, more of a squared off nose for a larger bow area. Plenty of room for a lot of kids or 4 adults. See just cup holders throughout the bow. Get to take a look at the coverage of the bimini. A spot for a surfboard up top. Let's take a look at the helm. There you can see the awareness camera. All the attention to detail. We also have the rotary command. It's easy to get to everything on the whole screen. Nice large wakeboard, wake surf racks. You'll notice the rear facing seats and a nice huge walkthrough. Massive bow area. Excuse me, massive cockpit area. Nice large cockpit. I believe this boat is rated for 17 people. Yeah, 17. Real nice, comfortable captain's chair. We're out here at Crosswater Marina here on Lake Travis. See the glove box here. You can actually see in there if your phone was right there. JL audio, USBs, and also a 12-volt hookup. Nice oversized mirror. You'll see your riders nice and easy. Spot for cell phones. Lighted cup holders. And you do have your pylon. And then just the amount of storage you have is amazing. Take a look at the 6.0 liter ZR4 PCM motor, 400 horsepower. So again, the 2020 GS24 Super Air Nautique. My name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out at our Lakeway location. We'll see you out at the lake.
Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.